my channel! For today's video, mag-unboxing tayo ng mobile. So guys, kabibili ko lang ngayon sa labas. It's fresh from the mall. Tuloy kadarating ko lang.
2,000 years.
What is this, my friend? A Nokia. So you can give me that 256 C5D3? Yeah.
Nice phone.
Nice one?
Yeah, NFC have this card system, punching system, NFC. And also have this 33 voltage super charging, 50 megapixel camera, and the powerful octa-core chipset. Slim phone.
But it's not for me, it's for my children.
Yeah, this best phone. It's gaming nice.
Gaming,
yeah, it's gaming very nice. It's 256
and they will bring into the finish tomorrow.
Oh, very nice phone. Have a cover, stickers.
Also, kissing.
I will get phone.
Also kissing from there.
Yeah, I will.
I want to from there. Okay, yeah, from here.
Yeah, sure.
Which color?
I have black, blue, green, yellow, pink.
But like this? Like this, my friend?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, it's very special here because I'm always buying here on also headset.
WhatsApp number I have sent.
I have, yeah, this one is already in my phone. I have already. I member already in the WhatsApp. Everything I'll buy here, electronics, like headset, and then, you know, the mobile. I'll buy also. That's why I'm asking you, are new here?
No, I am all
You are
this one.
other
Yeah, other person is I think
other company. This one is coming now.
Abdulhai.
Yeah. Abdullah coming na. That person is my socket.
Yeah, it's your friend.
Why you are so shy? My friend, I think you are going home. That's why I'm asking him. I want this one. How much GB this one?
256.
256. 256. Which one the 500?
500K.
526. Ah, that one. That one is your mobile, yeah? That one is your mobile? You showed me before. That one is your mobile. How much that one? Honor XP. 829? No, it's for me, it's fine. But it's only for me. How about Redmi? Yes, how much now guys like this?
379.
Which one the Redmi 12?
Redmi Note 12.
Redmi 12, this one.
You coming like
5G.
Redmi.
This one, that one. How much that one?
25.
This one, Redmi 12 5G. Redmi 12 5G. In front. No, this one, in front. Which one? This one, yeah. How much that one?
560.
What?
560.
569. Redmi 5G.
Redmi 256 now.
But which one?
Video making. My face also here.
Okay, give me this one. This one Kaya dito na kayo bumili guys kasi nagbibigay din sila ng discount at saka nagbibigay sila ng giveaway. Yeah, no, next time. Kaya dito ako pabalik-balik lang sa kanila guys kasi mga suki ko na sila. Ito yung bibili ako ng cellphone, headphone, headset, ganyan. Yan ako, pati yung cover ng mobile, mga like casing. Dito ako nagbibili kaya bibigyan ako ng discount or giveaway. Pati tripod guys, marami silang klaseng tripod dito, kaya dito na kayo bibili. Yan guys, yung giveaway ng mobile na binili ko. So, what are you doing for? Halina kayo at bumili dito sa Macro Mobile Satwa December 2nd Street near Picnic Restaurant. Thank you. May uuwi kasi guys sa taga Nueva Ecija. So malayo pa sa amin. Kasi bali papadala niya na lang sa LBC. To Santa Cruz, Zambales guys. Kasi wala emergency. Kasi sabi niya nahulog niya. Baka gusto niya lang ng bago. Kasi nahulog niya naman nga guys yung mobile niya. Nakakainis. Wala pang 2 taon. Ang cute niya guys. Napaka-colorful yung kulay niya. Same as of my life. Charot. Guys, no? Ito nga yung kulay gold siya. Kulay gold. Ayan na siya guys, oh. Kulay gold siya. Yan. 256 GB. So malaki. Wow, ang ganda. Ang ganda ng likod niya guys. Ganda, sana all. Di bale. Magkakasahod lang din. Bibili na naman ng extra. Ito siya. Buti may ay headphone pala yung wala siyang kasama. Ito normal lang. Ito normal lang kasama niya pala. So, ano to? May kasama siyang ito guys. Transparent na casing. May kasama siya. So, bali, bibigyan pa nila ako ng nag-order pa sila libreng ganito. Pero yung may pin dito sa yung parang ganito. Yung parang ganito sabi ko kasi parang safe siya pag mahulog. Ito nga yung libre niyang earphone. Ito siya. Yan. Marami din siyang free. Okay na. Pero ito, type ko to. 256 GB, diba? So guys, we're done. Thank you for watching. So arat na kayo guys dito sa Macro Mobile Dubai UAE. Thank you for the